Have you ever found yourself struggling to maintain your weight after losing a significant amount of it? Or perhaps you hit a plateau in your weight loss journey despite your best efforts. Or maybe you're coming to the end of a diet and want to figure out what to do next so you don't gain it back. This is where reverse dieting comes in. In this video, we'll explore what reverse dieting is and how you can implement it into your routine. So let's begin. Reverse dieting is a technique that involves gradually increasing your caloric intake after a period of caloric restriction. So this could be for the short term or even if you've been chronically undereating. To find out if you've been undereating, go to the maintenance calorie calculator below in the description, track your calories for a few days, and then take the average. So for example, if you track your calories for 7 days, then take that average and divide it by 7. This number is going to be your maintenance calories. So maintenance calories are the number of calories in which you maintain your body composition on. Next, you'll take those maintenance calories and you're going to compare it against the maintenance calculator. So if they're below, then that means you're undereating. If they're above, then that's great. Your metabolism is efficient and you can maintain on higher calories. Now, if you've just finished a diet or you've confirmed that you are undereating, then reverse dieting is done to help your metabolism adjust and prevent rapid weight gain. When you restrict your calorie intake for an extended period of time, your body goes into survival mode and slows down your metabolism to conserve energy. Our bodies are incredibly smart and try to conserve energy, especially in a perceived famine like a diet. And this can make it challenging to maintain your weight loss or continue to lose weight when your body is battling to do the exact opposite. Reverse dieting can help increase your metabolism and make it easier for you to maintain your weight loss in the long run. I've been there. I've lost weight. I've kept it off for a few years while I was a competitor in figure and bikini. But the only reason why it stayed off was because I was still in competition season. And listen, people don't really have an issue with losing weight. That rarely is the problem, unless you have some other underlying issues going on. The issue is that once people lose weight, they have trouble keeping it off and they regain it and then they usually gain back even more. I've also fallen victim to this too. When I took a break from competing, I regained my weight back, but it didn't just stop there. I ended up regaining even more than what I had lost, and this made it more challenging every single time I went through a diet. And it was simple. My body was just screaming for more food because I was chronically undereating. Once you lose weight, you're at a battle with trying to maintain it. I see this mistake all the time. People think it's okay because I lost weight eating 1,200 calories. I will only ever be able to eat 1,200 calories. This is exactly how somebody gets into this mess of a vicious cycle. Or they start doing cardio, and then when it gets harder and they're having a harder time maintaining their weight, they add a little bit more cardio. Not to mention, when you eat such little calories, you're more likely to binge eat. This is the classic eating well during the week, and on the weekends, you're an unleashed food monster with no control. Okay, but let's get back on track here. Let's talk about how to implement a reverse diet. So before implementing a reverse diet, it's essential to determine your caloric intake and adjust it based on your goals. If you've been following a strict diet, you may need to gradually increase your calories over a few weeks or months to allow your body to adjust to the new intake. So here are some steps to implement reverse dieting. Number 1, determine your caloric intake. Use a calorie tracking app or consult a nutritionist like myself to determine your current calorie intake. Number 2, start increasing your calories. Increase your calories by 50 to 100 calories per week. This gradual increase will allow your metabolism to adjust slowly. Number 3, monitor your progress. Keep track of your weight and body composition to ensure that you're not gaining weight too quickly. Number 4, adjust as needed. If you find that you are gaining weight too quickly, adjust your calories. Maybe you need to slow it down a little bit. Maybe you need to stay at your calories for an extra week, or you need to drop them slightly. Number 5, maintain your healthy habits and continue to eat a balanced diet and engage in regular physical activity. This is going to help you maintain a healthy weight. All right, so now let's talk about the benefits of reverse dieting. Reverse dieting has several benefits. First one is boosting your metabolism. Gradually increasing your caloric intake can help boost your metabolism, making it easier for you to maintain your weight loss. Number 2, improving your energy levels. So by increasing your caloric intake, you may notice an increase in energy, allowing you to engage more in physical activity more effectively. Number 3, preventing weight gain. So by gradually increasing your caloric intake, you can prevent rapid weight gain and ensure that you are maintaining a healthy weight. So reverse dieting is a valuable technique that can help you maintain your weight loss and improve your metabolism. And by following these steps and gradually increasing your caloric intake, you can achieve long-term success in your weight loss journey. And remember to consult a nutritionist like myself or healthcare professional before implementing any significant changes to your diet. And if you're still trying to figure out where to start with the reverse diet, make sure you download a copy of my reverse dieting guide. It is completely free and I've left it for you in the description below. So in this guide, I share all my secrets on how to go through a reverse diet, and I even give some examples. And be sure to check out my other reverse dieting video, so how to eat more food and lose weight, where I cover where reverse dieting came from, and I even show you some of my successful client results. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time.